How to delete DoorDash Dasher account. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can deactivate or delete your DoorDash Dasher account. So the very first thing that you want to have to do first is to uninstall the application. But before doing that, make sure that you are not having any ongoing bookings or scheduled bookings so that your account will be cleared out. So simply tap and hold on a specific application and have it uninstall completely. Next thing you want to do, deactivating or deleting your DoorDash account is not an available option where you can see under your account details once you pull up the application. So what you want to have to do again is go ahead and remove all of your scheduled shifts and contact DoorDash support for you to be able to process account deactivation. You can go ahead directly into their official site under the Dasher support and tap this option here that says DoorDash support, and then just simply provide all necessary reasons while you are deactivating your account. And that is how you deactivate or delete DoorDash Dasher account.